Dr. John Robinson here, longevity medicine expert, author, speaker, entrepreneur, and doctor. After 2 decades of prescribing hormone replacement therapy for thousands of men and women, I've learned something that I want to share with you. It works. Fatigue, low libido, memory and focus issues, mood instability and poor mental health, lack of muscle, too much fat, and just not feeling like yourself. All of this can go away today. And no matter what other doctors might tell you, you don't have to live with it. Right here, right now, we offer advanced hormone replacement therapy that includes simple hormone injections or convenient hormone pellets. Our providers are personally trained and led by me, and they focus on providing real results. A simple blood test and convenient consult can get you started towards feeling your best. Remember, you don't have to live with it. See you soon.